What's going on? What's going on today, guys? My name is Jim Van Second. Re-uploads videos and gaming. How y'all doing? And today we're gonna reviewing, just not opening. We're just gonna talk about Legos. Yeah, that's right, Lego boxes sets. Let's get into the first one, actually. Oh, like kind of cool, interesting. Alright, it's basically a video camera, what my mom got me. Thank you, Mommy, for all the support and love. And we love you, Mommy. And all my fans on YouTube out there who are loving my own content. And, okay. I'm not going to open it, it's just my grandma and dad discuss it. Do not open the boxes. And that's the rule I'm working on and totally respecting that. So, yeah. It comes with, let me try to read this. Lego Create 8 plus 31 I'm trying to read. A plus 31 147 pieces. No, wait, not pieces. I mean, re-roll camera. And the pieces say 261 pieces. That's far as I'm trying to read. So, yeah. You can build this any size or, let me see how I put this in a new sentence, big sentence. It comes with this old school camera. You can build it like a regular camera with the sides and a radio. So yeah, thanks to my mom who's comment on, the videos on my YouTube channel, including my sister Alyssa. Thanks so much for liking, subscribing, and all my fans out there. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And the next one I'm going to talk about is Back to the Future. Speed Champions. And it comes with 357 pieces, by the way. So it might be cost money, like, I think, like, I would say $27.99, by the way. As far as I kind of think and look at the price since back then. And the last one, oh wait, there's two more actually. There's this phone. It's like, I think 8 plus 31 140. I meant 74, by the way. That's the numbers, by the way. And 303 pieces, by the way. You can build this any way you like old school phones or electricity phone, or this old school telephone. So yeah. So yeah. And I have one more set to talk about. It's about a regular, normal Legos. To my grandma who bought this for me, and I appreciate her all the love and support. Okay, it's basically Legos. I heard about this box before, so we're not gonna open it. Because why? Because if you don't know the pieces of it, you'll get really confused. So I don't want to mix up the pieces together. As far as I'm listening really carefully to my grandma and dad. So thanks to them. And I think there's last one is like new made wheels. Or is it wheel made in China? I don't know, you can really see it. It's like right there, really sneaky words in this receipt or whatever it's called. Thanks to the support of my grandma and my dad. So, anyway. Hope you guys enjoy this video. By the way, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, turn it on. We are around 3,000 subscribers. Or is that 100? Or is that maybe 300 subscribers, by the way. I love you. Behind all my heart, Richard. I love you. Have a crazy, awesome day. And love you all.